Today I will test the old Macintosh startup sound and crash sound on my subwoofer. You'll probably like it. It's because it's so cool. Shit. I'm your Reisen. But I'm not sure. Then again, we don't have time for that. I will test it quickly. My MacBook doesn't make any sound. Okay, let's do the test.
Aerial. Digitio. AODIASO and this dive sign here you would you a hand you also war or you are hand okay?
Yes. While filming this video, I got a safety disaster text message and the camera turned off. Fuck. It was a fucking damn thing. It really felt like I was riding down my spine. Because the bass were strong. It was like in shit. I hope you don't become like me when you film this kind of video. It's so frustrating. Fuck. Okay, then thank you for watching. Goodbye.